Hey guys, so I often get asked how to reduce food waste in the kitchen, so I wanted to show you how the pros prepare asparagus. A lot of people are taught to bin the asparagus until it snaps and throw that part out, but don't do this. Instead, use a vegetable peeler to peel off the bottom third of that outer tough skin, which makes a lot of that asparagus edible. Then just use your knife to slice off the bottom ½ inch of that asparagus. You can even slice off a little ring and taste it to make sure it's not too fibrous at that point. This process does take a little more time, but it's worth it to get the most out of a nice vegetable. Once all your asparagus are peeled, you can cook them in your favorite way. Today I'm just sauteing mine in a little bit of olive oil with some salt, a little black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Enjoy, and subscribe for more great food videos.